I'm Chris Fields, and this is Fresh Off the Press. I have learned how to design, customize, produce, and manufacture all kinds of different hoodies, bags, banners, apparel, merchandise, sports team jerseys, all kinds of promotional merchandise and materials. I've generated thousands of dollars in extra revenue, and I'm going to give you a 360 view on how I've accomplished all of this. And I'm so enthusiastic to bring you great content that will show you the ins and outs of creating a functional, effective, and scalable printing business that anyone can be successful at with the right amount of effort, time, understanding, practice, and research. I'm going to show you the different platforms I use. I'm going to show you some shortcuts in saving money but also having effective advertising solutions. I'm going to show you how you can be creative and think of niche ideas to create more business inflow. I'm going to show you how to manage the income and outcome of your business. I'm going to show you how to create a stream of revenue that's constant by collecting a bunch of different niche clients. I'm going to show you how to pitch your idea to potential clients and customers. I'm going to show you how to sustain those customers and keep them coming back. And I'm going to show you the different skill sets in using the machine that I'm going to introduce to you. I'm going to show you some of the mistakes that are often made when creating this type of business, and I'm also going to help you avoid those mistakes by showing you resources and websites that can give you more opportunity and also can give you more abilities to be creative. I'm going to show you how to ignite your creativity, how to spark your ideas, and how to manifest your visions into reality.